Okay, beautiful friends, here we go. It is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020, and here we go. I want to direct your attention at one thing first, and that is the fear narrative. Turn on your TV for like 30 seconds. All you hear about is the riots, the pandemic, the killer virus. It's miraculously gone now. It's all about riots and burning cars and people getting pepper sprayed and everything else. They don't give a damn what they can latch onto to make you afraid. That's their goal. Fear. They want to control your mind through some narrative to make you afraid. It's that simple. It's incredible. I'm laughing. I'm sitting here watching the news this morning. I'm like, nothing on the deadly virus. It's all about the riots. Understand what they are trying to do. They want to and are controlling many people's mind through the mechanism of fear. Don't let it happen to you. All right, now with that said, let's talk about this market. No surprise to anyone again following my blog. Stocks put on gains yesterday, and right now, stock futures are pointing towards more gains. Crude oil's getting bid up. Metals are under a little bit of pressure. The 10-year yield is stable. Bitcoin has now risen above 10,000 again. No one that follows my work is surprised about this. I can't imagine there's a guy out here who's called Bitcoin better than me since the last run up and crash. You remember I was telling people to dump it at 18 grand and I got ridiculed and laughed at. I had major crypto websites saying, Greg Mannarino's nuts. Let's all laugh at him. Yeah, well, I was right there too. So if I had a single penny for every time someone said to me, oh, Greg, you're wrong on Bitcoin, I would be richer than Bill Gates. That's the truth. All right, so that's the scenario right now. Number one, it's the fear factor. They want you afraid. They will make you afraid of anything they possibly can, real or imagined. So just recognize what you're seeing. It's just amazing to me. All of a sudden, poof! No more virus. We cure a virus by having riots, it seems. And then there'll be something else they got to float out here at one point. It's all about control. It's all about keeping you afraid. Look here, don't look here. While the charade plays on, the fakery of the markets, the dead economy. You could just go on and on with this. It's completely bizarre. Anyway, I would not be surprised to see a little pressure on metals here. Risk on is back. That means cash going into the equity market. You got hedge funds now starting to load up on stocks. So again, it's so simple. It's so simple to know what we're going to do in an environment where everything is predictable. We know what they're going to do before it happens. We know what's going to happen before it happens. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Anyway, so that's it. Again, as always, keep your eye on that 10-year yield. And just one more thing. A big, huge shout out to those of you that chose to support my work. I'm out here working really hard. This is all for free. And it makes me feel good. Anyway, with that said, this guy right here loves you a lot. I'll see you later. And let's just take it all in.